sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine sir.
So you are here.
With you sir.
So it's very nice to meet you, sir. So nice of you
Thank you
under
sir.
this great Corona situation and on this road. We are very happy to meet each other.
Thank you sir. And how are you
Uh,
sir?
I too am very fine, sir.
Fine sir.
The health
Sir,
is going on good and the days are very fine.
very fine sir. What about corona effect sir on teaching line?
Corona has its own effects, sir. It has affected teaching line a lot, and it has taught the teachers and the students greatly. I mean, the teachers have improved in their improved themselves in technically.
Technically, I think the teachers and students both are
Uh,
uh, technically fit and fine for this one situation, and they are best positively they are utilizing this time and this situation under
Already
COVID-19
this new generation is good in technologically, but
technically.
this teaching people, those who have crossed 45 or 50 years old people are there who are in teaching line, they are not quite well with technically. So they are coming through with these kinds of new tools and techniques, online teaching, and how to utilize these new things, computerized online classes. It is time for learning for them also, and teachers are very. They are also struggling a lot to learn all these things. The things are going on, sir. The things are going on. That's the thing which is better for the betterment of the children. They are also working hard to go through all these technical problems, whatever they are facing.
But sir, I saw in this COVID-19 period, the students and teachers, each and everyone's work is reduced less in time. How means the students are doing more and more practice in digital line only.
No, sir, I don't think like that. Digitally they are not practicing, but this digitalized work has increased the work of uh, both teachers as well as the students.
No,
How
no,
you ask?
no, sir. My question is like this. Uh, the now this COVID-19 situation, under this situation, students and teachers both are facing the same problem, but the students are much better in this condition. The homework section and the classwork section and each and every the listening plan and question answer, each and everything they are doing the manually and sent through the digital wise.
Yes,
And
that
even
is true.
the teachers what they are telling in the offline section in the classroom, the children are hearing, some teachers are telling the subjects are like story, this is we are teaching for this one, what is the usage and what is the misuse for this one topic. And in for example in one class, more than 40 to 50 members in one class, only those who are intelligent and those who want to interest in this study, they only hear first and they are to raise first question. Sir, what is meant by the India when we get the freedom, sir? Who's the freedom fighter, sir? And what is the who is the freedom fighter, etc, like this. Those who are interested only they are raising the question and they have to ask the answer to the teacher. But in offline class, the children, some those who are intelligent, they only ask. Others, hey, don't show our face to teacher, don't raise.
Here,
Like this.
as your the way your words are going, I understood, and in my career this year, it has come to my notice that one student is there. Last year, the same student never used to speak, and always he was scolded by me only for not asking any question, or even he never used to open his mouth to answer the question. Now he has started to answer, even for the long answers also. Such examples are there. This shows that they have a kind of negativity about themselves, inferiority about themselves, inferiority complex, we may say like that. So that kind of complexity in the mindset, whatever the children have, they do not have in this online classes, because around them they do not have anyone. They are alone at home. They are free of mind. They can say that freely they are speaking. One example, alive, I can give example here. So these online classes have exposed those students also to come up freely. So these are the things which we can expose in teaching line.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir, for this discussion. Again, we will continue later.